God damn, whoa.
Hey guys, I want to say thank you so much for 17,000 subscriptions. So I need you guys to check out my previous reaction before this. PUTRI, ARIANI, Perfect Liar.
Hi guys, what's up? How are you all doing on your side of life? So people, right now, we're gonna react to PUTRI, Ariani, BUHI, Jadi, PERMANANI Exist cover. So I haven't heard this before. In fact, it's my very first time even hearing of this one. So people, without further ado, let's see what she have to say on this one. Peace.
Dinginnya angin malam ini menyapa tubuhku, namun tidak dapat dinginkan panasnya hatiku ini.
Guys, to be honest, I don't really understand the language that she's using, but I can feel everything that she's doing. I mean, like, her voice is amazing, right? My preference is when she sings in English because I'm from Jamaica and we do understand English very well, right? But to be honest, I want to know more about her. I want to keep on listening to her, so it doesn't matter what language she sings in. I'll always support her. I'll always compliment her. And compliments on this one. She should continue to do the excellent work. This is an excellent job. Excellent job, PUTRI, ARIANI. Let's continue.
Terasa terhempasnya kewanitanku ini dengan sikapmu. Apa karena aku insan kekurangan, mudahnya kau mainkan.
Each time I've done a reaction to her, there's always something new I've learned about this female, right? And what I've learned about her is that she always sing so lovely, very lovely. There's not a moment that I've done a reaction to her and I'm not feeling a reaction. Her reaction is so realistic, right? Pertaining to what she's doing, right? And I have to always come back to listen to her because her voice is very powerful, and the power that is being generating from her voice, it always captivates my attention towards her, right? And I love the way she sing in such calm, such beautiful tone. It's so easy for you to understand what she's saying, even though it's not in English, but I'm certain we have an understanding what she's doing, what she's saying on this song. And she should keep up the excellent job, right? A job well done. Let's continue.
Mungkinkah diri ini dapat merubah bui yang memutih menjadi permadani seperti bintang yang kau ucap dalam janji cinta.
Very, very melodious voice. Has anyone ever sit, right, and listen keenly of what she's saying? We can feel the goosebumps. We can feel the energy that she's generating from this screen, right? She's she's a little angel, to be honest. To be honest. She's just that amazing. Trust me. Let's continue.
Juga mustahil bagiku menggapai bintang di langit. Siapalah diriku, hanya insan biasa. Semua itu sungguh aku tiada mampu.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. She's a master of birth control, right? And she's so young, but in Jamaica, we would not say she's young. We would say she's little, but she's talawa. In Jamaica, that talawa means powerful, right? Strong. That's what talawa means, right? And PUTRI ARIANI covers that a lot. PUTRI ARIANI, continue to make your movement mighty, because this is a mighty movement. And to see her with this type of song, multiple voices, right? And she's not from an American country or a Canadian country where people talk in full English. She's a mastermind with this. Let's continue.
Salah aku juga karena jatuh cinta. Insan sepertimu selembut bidadari. Seharusnya ku cerminkan dirimu sebelum tirai hati aku buka untuk mencintaimu.
God damn, whoa, whoa. Simply amazing. Simply amazing.
Oh, mungkinkah diri ini dapat merubah bui yang memutih menjadi permadani seperti bintang yang kau ucap dalam janji cinta.
Whoa. I want to say God bless her. She's a blessed person. Whoa. Whoa. Oh my God. She's just. Damn, bro. What a very great specimen she is.
Juga mustahil bagiku menggapai bintang di langit. Siapalah diriku, hanya insan biasa. Semua itu sungguh aku tiada mampu. Salah aku juga karena jatuh cinta. Insan sepertimu selembut bidadari.
This is a very stupendous thing, that to sit and to listen this woman sing so greatly, I just can't do nothing at all else but to just listen and grasp on it, right? Because she's just that amazing. She's just a cool, very cool.
Seharusnya ku cerminkan dirimu sebelum tirai hati aku buka.
Damn.
Untuk mencintaimu.
Whoa. Damn, that was good. Really good. That was perfect. Perfectly done. Guys, thank you so much for watching. What are your thoughts on this? I'll see you in my next reaction. Peace.